Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic Best Car Fixes. Please subscribe and share and like. Today we have 2019-2018 Nissan Pathfinder. This is the airbag for it. We're gonna go show you where it is, how it works, and the location of it. So now this is the car. The airbag is for security. They call it the black box. When it gets into the accident, it creates a crash data. If you want to take it, disconnect the battery. I just disconnect the positive terminal of the battery. In this car, in order for you to take it out, maybe there is other way, but we have to take, this is the the center console. We take it and we move it back because the center console is sitting here. But maybe there is a way of taking it by just removing the left and right items. The place for it is here. I'm gonna try to put it in. I give you the idea. That means the location is here, like this. But before you start putting the screws, you see, before you start putting the screws, try to plug them because it's kind of hard to go inside. So let me plug it. You know, like when you have this, try to, you know, like here in this place. You see, push it in, down, and then pull it out. Try to pull it out slowly, don't damage them. So I'm gonna put them back and tighten it, and that will give you an idea where the location for it and what you need to do. We have another computer here. I don't know what it is for, but I will give you some information. Let me get my stand. I put it here so that I can set it up good. Okay, I'm gonna try to push it in first. Put the screws, I mean the what they call this, I believe is here, the first one, but I'm gonna put the first there so that I'm not gonna have trouble. Okay, take your time and disconnect the battery. Okay, this one is good. Be sure you click. Yes. And now this is the last one. Now after you finish, it have 3 screws. One here. Please subscribe, share, and like. And you know, when this go bad, you have to take it out and reset it. I have 2 other screws from the other side. Any place that you have space, good space. Yes. You see? I remember one car get hit from the bottom. Why you need to disconnect the battery? Because this one here, it is also airbag control module, and also it is sensor. If the impact is from under the carriage, you know, some people they drive. And then suddenly you hit something on the bottom, it blow out the airbag. So any movement of those can create trouble. This is why I try to be careful. I'm supposed to put only 1 screw. After I test for the ground, after everything is good, then I will tighten it. Why? Because maybe not all of them are okay. Okay, and here is good. Okay. You see, this is computer. This also a computer. Another computer here. That's where they say chips. Now the manufacturer stopped because they don't have no chips. You know, chips, we have chip problems. And chips are used to manufacture those computers inside, circuit board and motherboard and computers. When this problem happen, those computers need to be remanufactured. Because of the pandemic, everything is gone. And now you cannot produce a car without chips and computers. 50% of the electrical, 95% of the electrical items on new cars are built with computers. So this one here, they call it clock spring. When the airbag control module for the front here go bad, it creates this problem. Right now we finished with that. Maybe we're gonna put, if you want, you can put this one back and connect all this connector. If there is no airbag service here, I don't need to do anything. You know, this module here messed up. See this one? It's no good. Also we have this one also retractor. There's two coats here. You see this also is a retractor. What I'm gonna do, I will put the battery terminal out and now try to scan the car to see how many code left before I have a crash data. If the crash data removed, then we're gonna change the left side seat belt and the one in the bottom, and we're gonna also change the other side if you need. So let's go ahead and bring and put the battery terminal back now. This is the battery terminal. I'm gonna tighten it soon, and then we're gonna bring the machine to diagnose. To eliminate, to be sure that those things are bad, you can put a resistor here for test purpose. After the resistor, you know that it is, and the airbag light is gone, then you can buy them and put them, like this one here. This is for the seat belt. You know how to take it out. You have to pull this piece out and then you pull it. If it's not, it will not come out. You have to pull this out and then push here, or slowly it will come out. I am doing the video with one hand. God is great. He gives you hand, legs, things that are working so good. Okay, now I'm gonna go get the computer and we start diagnose, eliminate those codes. What do you need to eliminate? You need some resistors to start eliminating the code. Be sure that the light will go off. Module, as you see here, also I want to give you some example. I don't want to take you out of the subject, but if the battery dead, this will never go out. So what you need to do, there is a hole here in the top, which is this one. You see this? You got to take this one out, and then you got to drop a screwdriver or anything. You push this down, and then, you see here, and then the shift will come out. You push this down. You see two. This is also lock. You have to push it, and then also push this one. Be sure to put this piece because this is a spring for it. If I move this one here, this thing it never go back. See, never go back. But be sure when you move it, this is spring loaded. Plastic have to be there. Thank you. Still, I'm gonna bring the car will not start. I have to bring my. I'm gonna bring the key, or maybe I put it somewhere. The remote and the key is weak. That's why the car doesn't want to start. Okay, what are you gonna do? You see there, it say you have to put the remote next to the switch. You see here now, nothing, no ID. Why? Because the remote battery is dead. So you're gonna put it here because we have antenna here. You see now. I'm gonna start the car. And also, I want to show you something. Look here. In order for me the shift work, if I push the brake, this one will not go. If the battery is dead, you have to push this. But if the brake switch is good, look here what's going to happen. Push the brake. This one will move. Also is one, this one. It move to let that one go. See? You see now this one here manually, it push this. But the brake also, you see? This is how it works. So if the battery is dead, it will not come out of the shifter. You have to use it like this in all Nissan and Toyota and Honda, most of the cars, even other cars. But BMW has a different way. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. The second video is going to be after we reset the airbag control module, what code are we getting in, or what part we need to replace still. Thank you. Stay with us, please.